The biggest challenge I see in the future decades is going to be part complexity. We've seen, in the past, a lot of parts can come through, accomplish the goals that are set forth by the customer in relatively simple geometries. But as the technology and the research capabilities coming from the customer increase, the parts are going to get more complex. They're going to require a higher level of technology and a higher level of knowledge from each individual person on the team making said part.
So I foresee the biggest challenges that are coming are going to be the adaptation of artificial intelligence and automation. Not just in a single robot, but in mass automation, where we have one guy starting to run multiple different cells. He's doing what I call dynamic programming on the fly, adaptive learning.
I think the biggest challenge right now is finding qualified people to fill our shoes here, and that I think is the biggest challenge. People who want to work with their hands, work with their mind, and that's the rewarding part of this type of work.